Hello, and welcome to another chase. So, I'm trying out a new style of video today, where I actually talk at the start of the videos to introduce the shots, instead of just text. So, here we are at the Belgrave Jimbrook Road level crossing in Emerald, and we're going to see 8A going from Emerald to Belgrave today, coming in from Lakeside on its last service of the day. Thanks for watching, and get on with it. And here we are at the Belgrave end of the Monbot Creek Trestle Bridge. This will be the second and final shot of the video. Hope you enjoy. And here's 8A's fire patrol.